Uh, Big J, Big Javi. I'ma dedicate this rap to the ladies. Yeah. Open the door to my room, excuse my messiness. Triggered by my loneliness. And I don't mean to BS, but you be a mess. And that's broke my scale. Take off your clothes, I promise I won't tell. I start to rap a cappella. She's my Cinderella. She's sitting beside me, saying get inside of me. And I start to unbutton her shirt, lower her skirt. And what do I see? Besides matching bras and panties right in front of me, I see a flawless beauty, not giving a damn about a cootie. I grab her by her hips and pull her closer. Oh, you wanna ride? Let me be your chauffeur just for the night. I promise to drive you right and never left. Then I start kissing on the chest like I'm getting ready to build a house. I move down south. She starts moaning and groaning. We're like a machine and she's my main component. And then she returns the favor. She's licking on my lollipop, saying she loves the flavor. Then she opens up shop and starts to drop and pop. She's doing this little dance for me. I'm in a trance, you see. I label her as my fantasy. Then she looks me in the eyes and says, give it to me, Big Javi. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck on this girl like Elmer's glue. I push her up against the wall. She's saying my name like it's her maiden call. I go back down and recite my ABCs with my tongue. I think I got this girl sprung. She's telling her girls it's just a fling. I ain't even stuck it in, but I got this girl sweating like it's late spring. Whispering cute shit in her ear, I aim to flatter. She spreads her legs and serves my platter. I didn't even debate, I began to penetrate. I also aim to please, now get on top of me, rest your knees. I just wanna hear you scream, out of pleasure. One man's trash is another man's treasure. But who would throw this angel away? I couldn't bear the thought. She's moaning my name and I told her we're barely about to start. I start stroking her with the motion of the ocean. Love's a spell, so let me get that potion. I asked her why'd you call me over, like you were Red Rover. She said I wanted you to stop by and bend me over. She's treating me like it's my birthday, but I ain't seen no cake. Then we took a break for about an hour. Then we took her to my shower, where she was in power. She put her hands on the towel. She looked back at me and flashed me a smile. Then we stand in the water in each other's embrace. If making love is a crime, then write up a case. I stare her in the eyes, not believing she's one of God's creations. It's like I'm running in a million races with no destinations. It's like I'm running in a million races with no destinations. Yeah. That one goes out to all the ladies out there. Big J, out.